weird frame issues when it comes down to physics, since the frames are unlimited. The game does not know how to handle sometimes going a little bit too hard on thing like that, as you can see. Your character has too much going on, so it clips and then it just like launches you. I mean, you can play
found the victim. Definitely the work
the
of a
improved
conduit.
version just by
Very...
playing it. Not really that big of a deal. Just go down and literally go to frame rate unlimited, performance, and all that. So.
Okay, I need you to take a couple pictures of the crime scene and send them to me. Anything that might give us a lead.
There's your wounds. I wonder what kind of power did this. Fire blast or lasers? Ooh, what about flesh-eating death gaze? I wouldn't mind absorbing a little flesh-eating death gaze, right?
Delson, even if the guy who did this is a prime conduit, we still don't know if this power transfer thing's even gonna work.
Well, you know what? If it does, my first victim, it's gonna be the guy who came up with the name Bannerman.
Bro, you really need to let that go.
You can't lock it at 60, actually. Okay, it's only 30 or unlimited. It's nerf or nothing.
I think he blinked. Reg, I'm hearing sirens, man.
Yeah, let me check real quick. Yeah, the DUP's just cordoned off the area. I've warned the Seattle PD to stay away.
It has to be the conduit. I'll check it out.
I think I'm gonna start saving up my points for neon. I forgot I don't have double. Awkward. Probably.
Chances are there's gonna be a lot of...
There's no lag in this, but definitely some weird physics
hate to interrupt this
here
little
and there.
talk, but you got any luck with that first victim on your face database thing?
No, nothing. Victim must not have had a record.
From the looks of the guy, at least.
No, it's get the conduit! Jeez. And good luck with that.
You know what? Fuck it, I'm dropping the bomb. I'll subdue them faster either way. Might as well. Although I don't think the guys in the top are gonna get hit. Yeah, stand by my coast. Did take out 3 enemies. Did not take them out. It's kind of weird when they ask you to take out enemies in this game because they keep adding more, so to speak. Like that.
Uh-oh, running on fumes here.
Dude. Please don't make me come up there. Yeah, like 2 guys just came out of nowhere. Is this guy really just... Yeah, he is. God. You're a dick. I almost ran out of powers. Game? It's over? There's no more? Hello? There you go.
Well, this conduit sure got a certain style. Kind of nouveau sick.
Okay, just need...
Let me guess, face and wounds.
If it's not too much trouble.
Dude. You missed your shift. We already took you guys out.
Say goodnight.
The nerve on some people, I swear.
Alright, there you go. Stand by for wounds.
No need. I got a hit on the face. Guy's a drug dealer. Rap sheet's a mile long. Look around for his stash. Might give us a clue why the sniper chose him.
Holy!
Holy what? What holy? Delson, are you okay?
Yeah, found our sniper, going after him.
Be careful.
Real original advice.
Do I actually have to chase the sniper? Can I wait at the sniper's
Wait,
nest?
don't impale me. I come in peace. It's okay, I'm one of you. I mean, one of us.
Here, let me see if I can, like...